Namaskar, I am Dr. Atul Sinha, working as Assistant Professor at AJK MCRC Jamia Millia Islamia. I welcome you to the module that deals with editing formats for multimedia. After studying this module, you shall be able to understand storytelling and editing, learning about principles of editing, know different formats like text, graphics, video, sound, and animation, learn the technicalities of editing formats of multimedia elements, storytelling, and editing. Before we talk about editing for multiple media or multimedia, we need to gain a better understanding about storytelling and the role of editing in digital storytelling. Storytelling, or more specific in this case, digital storytelling, which is an extension of traditional storytelling and initially began with sign language and mostly spoken words. Digital storytellers use something more potent, interactivity, which affects both the craft and the audience experience. Digital storytelling can be defined as communication or entertainment medium, which reaches its audience through digital technologies. This was made possible in the early 21st century with tech companies like Apple, Microsoft, Google, and Facebook, which are now bigger than most oil companies. These companies revolutionized how we create and distribute media, making it more accessible, although this primarily does not make all of us the authors. Social media now represents more than 20% of the internet, and each one of us are telling stories, and this shared creativity is slowly becoming a way of digital entertainment. Digital storytelling is fundamentally combining storytelling with a variety of multimedia tools such as graphics, video, animation, sound, and web publishing. According to John Bruce, stories are told as spells for binding the world together. But why tell stories? Stories are what we humans do to make sense of the world around us. Stories gives us an opportunity to connect oneself with the shared experiences, cultures, and values. Connecting oneself with the characters subconsciously in two different levels of feelings and intellect, stimulating emotions and thoughts. Storytelling can be divided into two distinct categories. One is actual storytelling, where both the storyteller and the listener are present for an immediate ongoing feedback. And other is presenting story through other mediums, which is in a way presenting a story and not actual storytelling. Although interactivity in an electronically mediated environment is in a way to some extent actual storytelling, as it brings immediacy of feedback using a variety of sensorial participation. Simply put, just like communication needs two parties, the communicator and the recipient, storytelling requires an author and an audience. Storytelling requires structure, a storyline, to become a more powerful and an effective means of communication. Phillips and Huntley, in their book Dramatica, A New Theory of Story, have divided bringing story to an audience into four different stages of communication. Stage 1, story forming. Structural design and dynamics of story is conceived in this particular stage. The original motive behind telling a story is born with a clear intent. At this point in time, there are no complete story, but merely an inspiration or an idea, which is further structured by other four aspects. And these four aspects are character, theme, plot, and genre. Now, the stage 2 is story encoding. This is a stage where symbols are designated. As stories are presented using character, stage, era, these are meant for symbolizing the meaning meant to be conveyed in the story. Symbols are visual connotations deciphering into meaning through culture context. It is fleshing out the idea conceived during the story forming stage. Now, the third stage is called story weaving. This is where order is established. Initial editing in terms of story begins here itself. The way it is meant to be told or presented to an audience piece by piece. This stage is result oriented, as a complete argument is constructed based on the structure created in the previous two stages. Now, the last and final stage is reception. This is where audience takes over and interprets a story based on their own intellect and emotion. Audience is an active participant. His or her preconceived notions, cultural baggage affects how symbols in a story is deciphered. Two questions are critical at this stage. How do we as storyteller want to be received? And from this what we are trying to achieve with our audience in concern. There are no set rules but only guidelines. The way we want to go through these stages depends entirely on the audience we are addressing and the impact we want to make.